Okay, so you're researching how to upload or how to upload on YouTube. Dwayne here with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to upload your videos onto YouTube. As a matter of fact, if you're researching how to upload or how to upload on YouTube, then you definitely want to make sure that you're getting some type of YouTube training, and so that you can get off on the right foot in order to be successful on YouTube. So this is going to be one of many videos in a series that I'm going to put in a playlist, and I'm going to call that playlist YouTube training. So if you're interested in doing that, be sure to look out for that playlist. I'll link that playlist at the end of this video. However, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to upload on YouTube. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV. And on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to uploading on YouTube or how to upload, there are definitely three things that you want to consider. You want to consider your title, your description, and your tags. I am going to show you in this video actually what you do when it's time to upload your video. I'm going to get on my computer and show you guys that, but I just want to speak briefly about each section. So the title is crucial. Your title should definitely include your keyword or keywords, and if possible, just let the keywords or keyword be the title of the video. Nothing else, nothing extra, just the keyword or the keywords. And then in your description, you definitely want to include that keyword or that keyword phrase in your description, and you want to basically write a sentence, or not one sentence, but a paragraph in regards to what the video is about. And as you're writing that paragraph, try to find ways to use your keyword or keyword phrase in the description. Once again, this is very important, and it helps your video get discovered on YouTube. The last thing that you want to be concerned about when it comes to uploads is you want to be concerned with your tags. Tags is another word for keywords, basically. Like, tags are words that are going to be like your keywords. There are words that are going to be relevant to your keyword. So be sure to be concerned with tags. And of course, there's a lot of software out there that allows us to get online and research keywords and research tags. So there's really no excuse now. YouTube is a lot easier to be successful now, even though it's super competitive, because of the tools that we have available to us. As a matter of fact, I'll link the keyword tool that I use a lot. It's called vidIQ, and I'll link that in the description below. You can check that out. That's going to be very helpful if you're interested in getting off on the right foot in regards to YouTube. So for this portion of the video, I'm going to jump on my laptop so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll see you over on my laptop.
Okay, so when you're ready to upload to YouTube, all you do is you sign into your YouTube account, and then as you can see here, there's an image towards the top right of the screen. You click on this little up arrow, which means upload. You click on that, and then it's going to pull up this screen, and I always have it set to private. My default setting is on private because when I upload the videos, I still have to put my title in if it's not correct, but I normally save my file, the name of the video that I want to upload to YouTube. So I got to do the title, and then of course you have to do the description, and then of course your tags, which are all important to get your video discovered on YouTube. So once you're ready to upload, you can just click here, and then it'll prompt you, it'll search your computer basically for different things that you can upload. I'm just going to, I'll do this just as an example. I've already uploaded this video. So as you can see here, the video is uploading here, and it's letting you know the progress at the top of the screen. There's about 6 minutes left. And then after it uploads, it normally also still has to process, and that sometimes takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how long your video is. So as you can see here, I already have stuff in my description box because I have things uploaded in my upload default. I did a video talking about that, and I'll link it in this video so you guys can watch that if you want, or I'll link it at the end of this video so you can click on it when this video is over. So, so I have stuff already here in my description. Basically, all the time I upload a video, I always have these things here. I want people to subscribe to the channel. So you have your title, which is right here, which is very important. Your title should be, once again, your keyword, or it should have your keywords or the keywords in the title. If you can just title the video the keyword or keywords, that would be the best. But if you want to spice it up or do different videos with the same keywords, then of course you can have the keywords in there and some other words as well. And then this portion here below the description is your tags area. This is where you put similar keywords. You also put the main keyword again. So this video is titled How to Upload Longer Videos on YouTube. I definitely want to put that in the tags down here. So I'll put that there. And then let's just say it, I'm going to put another tag. Let's just type in longer videos. And then I'm going to put, let's say, another keyword, upload to YouTube. Basically, you just put a bunch of different keywords here. It's called tags, but keywords, tags, same thing as far as this section is concerned. So that's pretty much what you need to do in order to upload videos to YouTube. And then once you're done doing that, you can just hit done here, and it will continue to upload. And once it's done uploading, your video will be saved to YouTube, and you'll be good to go. Of course, you can always schedule right here. I like to do this. You can schedule when you want the video to go live. So my videos always update or upload privately, but you can schedule here, and if I want to click on that, I can choose a date. Let's say Friday the 20th. I can click Friday the 20th, and I can choose a time. Let's say 3:15 p.m. I always upload my videos 8 o'clock in the morning. But anyway, once you do that, you can just hit save here, publish on Friday the 20th. You can hit save there, and it'll be good to go once the video is done uploading. You don't have to worry about it anymore, unless you want to do keywords, not keywords, but subtitles, closed captions, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it as far as how to upload your video to YouTube. I'll see you guys back in the video in just 1 second.
Okay, thanks for watching this video about how to upload or how to upload to YouTube. If this video was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel out quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, because on this channel we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and I approve this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.